Hello guys, welcome back with me and welcome back to my channel. Before you watch this video, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. The title is I want to tell you the news of cryptocurrency. So the title is Leading European Tire. The trader Felichuk to accept crypto payments. Felichuk, a British company that brands itself as Europe's largest independent tire trader, will now accept cryptocurrency for its product and service. Its management says the business must move with the follow to take major coin over contract in cryptocurrency. United Kingdom based tire trading firm Felichuk has announced it will accept to lending cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin and Ethereum as a means of payment for tires and related service. The company claims it is the first in the industry to do that. In a press release, Felichuk also revealed it intends to sink fixed price contract in crypto per kilometer and crypto per vehicle format if customers would like to fix or link them to the price of the two support cryptocurrencies. Blockchain is not the future but the now, says Felichuk's IT manager Jason Humphries. We believe that all companies will have to accept cryptocurrencies in the near future, and we are proud to be the first trader to do so, he commented. He also insists that crypto payments will cession costs for both sides, while Humphries thinks the company, which he described as customer-centric. He also insists that crypto will payments lower transaction costs for both sides while providing more value to the buyer. We are proud to have partnered with Felichuk to develop the models required for their industry leading VMS management system to be able to receive secure payments through the blockchain, said Sam Dunross, the CEO of Dunross and Chan Ltd. Despite the last crypto market downturn, the business introducing Bitcoin payments continued to grow. For example, Swiss luxury watch maker Tag Heuer announced a survey conducted by financial service firm Deloitte and payment processor PayPal showed that 85% of Americans consider enabling this payment method a high priority. So guys, that's enough. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe.